Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for the stickman animation, you have to use a stickman PNG, which I already added in a mega link in the description, and you can download it. So I want to remove this white background of this PNG. So go to effects and presets and search for key, linear color key. Then add it to your clip. Then I want to remove this white area. I'm just gonna click on that. Then change the matching tolerance to 80. After that, I want to change its color. Then go to effects and presets and search for fill. Add it to your clip. With this, you can change its color to any color that you want, but I want it to be a simple white. And after that, I also want his hands to be a little longer, So for doing that, I'm going to search liquify in effects and presets and add it to my clip, and then try to make it longer with the liquify. I just did it a bit bad, but you can do it better than me. Oh my god, it looks ugly. But yeah, it's just a tutorial. If you want to do it for your edit, just be patient and do a really good job with that. Alright. After that, I want to change the face of the stickman. So for example, I want to use this picture. I'm just gonna make it zoom in, and with the mask tool I'm just gonna mask the face. Yeah, I know I'm bad at masking right now because I just want to tell you guys how to do this transition as fast as possible. So yeah, sorry for the choppiness, I guess. Alright, I think this one looks cool, to be honest. Right? Okay. And for this part, just cut his head off. That sounds so mean, but yeah. Just cut the head off, and yeah, boom. And then zoom them in together. And just adjust the head to the body. You can also add a stroke so it looks better. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. So for example, this is my final stickman. Now we want to animate it. So what you gotta do is to select all and pre-compose them, then duplicate it 3 times and mask the hand and the body all separately. Alright, for example, I want this one to be the right hand, so I'm just gonna mask the right hand. Just make sure it's masked perfectly. And mask the other hand. And for this part, mask the body. Okay, cool. Now you see this black arrow here, or this part here. It's just because of bad masking. You can cover it with the thing that we use to animate our stickman as well. So we are going to use puppet tool. So first we are going to add the puppet pins like this to the part we don't want to move. You see, I don't want this part of the stickman's hand to move at all. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this here. And also, as I said, I want to cover this black part, so use this stickman and just move them a bit further so you can cover the black parts, just like that. And then I want to move these two parts of the hand like a real hand, so just add two pins separately here, and do the same thing for the other hand. So I don't want to move for this part, I don't want this part to move at all, but I want these two parts to move. And also I'm gonna use these things to cover those black parts that I had in the masking. Alright, after that press U on your keyboard so you can see all these pins, keyframes, and then go all the way to the part where you want to have your transition. For example, I want it here. Alright, as I said, I don't want this part to move, but I want to animate these two parts. So I'm just gonna drag this part and animate it the way that I want. And also I can use these to make it look better, or you can use these parts to make it look realistic as possible. Alright, and again press U on your keyboard to see all the keyframes for the puppet pin, and then select deform so you can see all the pins, and then use those two pins to animate it the way that you want. For example, I want it to just move like this, and I'm just gonna use this so they look realistic as possible. And yeah, just like that you animate your stickman the way that you want. You can do all kind of animated that one. You can also animate the legs, you can animate the head just with the pin tools. Hope this transition helps you guys. See you guys soon. Tell me what you want to see next time. See ya.